excited because today is the start of my vacation in Philippines, Austria, Slovakia, Hungary, Czech Republic, Germany, Croatia. So today is Eid. It's May 27, and my flight is SQ, late night flight. So since our resort is just a speedboat ride, I have a boat scheduled at 8 p.m. and time check is just 11. It's just 12 p.m. here, so I still have a lot of time to sort out things here and also secure my stuff. And oh my god, I'm so excited! Actually, it still haven't sink in because in the morning I'm still working, answering emails, and yeah. And oh my god, to highlight this day, we will be performing some Maldivian songs for our guests. It was just like an abrupt decision. I'm really not part of that, but since they need dancers, I just received a call and then I just decided to join because I feel bad to Ate Mira who's asking politely. Okay, see you guys. I'll film everything from day 1 until day 30. See ya! Hello everyone, so I'm already ready sa aming Eid parade. I'm wearing a traditional Maldivian dress. And magpaparade kami, then we will dance a Maldivian song like this. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy la. You want to see how I look like? I'll show you then. So this is how I look like. So since I'm packing things, my room is a bit mess. But I will sort it out once I'm back. Ting! Kay ate ano? Ganda! So we will do a parade. And everyone is here gathered.
No, I don't have phone.
Okay, so
Magbablog.
muna Cody or yung fish?
Hi, see you after 30 days. Welcome to the new airport. And I will look for... Oh my god, please, ayoko bumili. Prada, I love this. How much is this? Let's see. Actually, I am supposed to be busy in the office because an upcoming group on June 4 to 7, and it's important that I need to be on site just to ensure that whatever we liaise together with the client is executed by the operations team. But then everything has been scheduled and I need to go badly for vacation as well. So I finished all the banquet event orders, all the instructions that I need to share to the team, and also held a meeting with them. And so far, I trust them. Anyhow, I will be available as well online. We created a group chat wherein I'm still there. So whenever there's any concerns that may arise, I will still be able to chat. There we go. I'm all packed. One. Guys, I already reached Singapore, and excuse me, and the terminal for my next flight will be on Terminal 2, so I need to go on this side. Actually, Singapore Shangchi Airport. I already know from A to Z because I've been here out and about. Everyone, so we are here in Naiya. I'm back in PH. Oh my God! Here.
Sa wagas, makita mo na si Pearly.
Pupunta natin si ate.
Oo.
Papa! Oh my God! How are you? How are you?
Tita ka mo?
Ha?
Buhatin mo ako, tita ka mo.
Oh my... Ay! Umiyak!
Tita!
Hindi, gusto niya magpabuhat na yan.
Tita!
Oh, baby Kai.
Mag-ano ka na naman tayo?
You're very, very big, baby Kai.
Dr. Jote.
My dad! Oh my God! Pearly! Oh my God! Jinky Pacquiao! Mamamute siya. So, we are here na. Pupuntahan po namin si ate. Sasakyan yun. Hindi ko to sasakyan. Tagabayad lang ako dito.
Post mo naman oo nga naman. Sa ano?
Baby Kai!
Sa ano tayo pa?
Kai!
Sa ano niya?
USD.
Ang laki mo dyan.
USD. Hindi naman doon sa...
Kanya nga, kung
We are here in my sister's office. We are here in Toyota Bacoor, Cavite.
Siguro kailangan ng
We'll just take a picture.
picture
And
nila
then-
ng family.
Done. Ilalagay ko sa aking YouTube channel. Happy birthday!
Ewan ko.
Andiyan lang yun.
Baba namin sa...
Wow!
So we will now go to have our brunch. Jerry's Grill because I'm looking for Filipino food. At ito po ang aking ate.
About the drinks water. About po service water, ma'am, warm or cold water po. Cold na po lang. Di na po tayo lahat nun, no?
Busy
Kaya
girl.
na rin.
Leah.
Everyone. We are here in Jerry's Grill and this is my first meal after that KFC. We have sisig, we have bulalo, we have palao. Hello, today is second day. We will be going to Department of Migrant Workers in Ortigas. Ortigas, Mandaluyong Ortigas. Para i-update ang aking employment records. 1 hour and 4 minutes. And this is my OTD. And this is my brother. Dito po kami sa Magallanes because nag-update ako ng records and it's done. 11 o'clock actually ang aking appointment, but they allowed me to come because I told them that we traveled from Cavite, so it's far here. And then within 15 minutes lang binigay na nila, diba? Very good. BMW, very good. Heading home. Ever run round, Annyeonghaseyo. Tita Erans, and then we will go to spa. Say hello, baby. Say hello. Hello, I'm Kai. I'm Kai. We are here in salon. Ito po si mama ko. Before and after. Tone down po ako. Hindi na po siya bleach. At ito po kakainin ko. Po siya. Tingin ka muna dito, ma. Wow, ganda. Oh my God!
Masusunod siya agad. Hindi siya yung parang mahirap.
Parang gusto ko mapabawasan eh. Short hair na po ako.
Anong ginagawa ni Papa mo?
Gising na namin.
Gusto ko nga hanggang dito eh.
Gigising.
Pero tama na muna yan.
Na.
Hanggang dito. Pero okay na to, no?
Okay na nga yan eh.
Feeling ko di na siya babagay. Kung talaga yung gaganan.
Huwag mo lagyan dyan.
Ha?
Pangit. Hi everyone. Today marks my third day. Wala pong makeup yan. Wala ko pong mga blemishes. And we will go to Vermosa to walk around. Time check, it's 5:40 AM. Kasama ko pang aking parents.
Naging po ganyan-ganyan. Paglaga. Pakma ng kalala.
Lingkod po ng simbahan siya. Athletic father. Very athletic. Ayun na po siya.
Buti ka.
Yes, Papito.
Naulanan ka? Uy. Kasi mukha mo na lang at saka boses, natatakot na eh.
Mulat mo sa Diyos.
Ito naman po si Perfect.
Na yung mga kathang isip lang.
Kathang isip.
Ano na yan? Log-log.
Ano yung bili ko ng banana gel noon? Banana gel. Diyan 120.
Lapul.
Oh. Doon sa...
Here in Palengke, small market in the Philippines.
Ito
Buy
po
some
yan.
pork chop. Aba, ma'am. Hello, we're going to Festival Mall to look for a gift for my partner. And magpapawax na din ako. Hello everyone. Now it's what? May 30. 27 is my flight. 28 I arrive. 28 we just had brunch together and took rest. I slept for 10 hours. The next day is my OWA appointment where I got my official employment certificate, which is one of the requirements in the immigration once I go out of the country. And then after that, what we did afternoon, yeah, I went to salon with my mom and sister, and then we took rest. And then today, on the third day, we woke up at 5 AM to walk in Vermosa. And now we will go to mall to look for a gift. That's my day 3 in the Philippines, looks like. And my driver is my brother, Ian Todd. Gusto ko pa mas maikli, pero okay na to.
Sopa?
Okay lang. Baka nagdatin na. So I will just have my wax first dito sa Laybear, and I'll look for a gift. Here's our meal.
Bangat ko business na!
Kakarating lang namin at nagkaligaw-ligaw kami. Ayan.
Sa kidney.
Sila muna ang driver.
Anong tawag dito?
Maghalo-halo muna kami dahil sobrang init talaga. Sobrang init. Hello everyone. So, we just took a rest, had lunch, and
yung parking.
we're on our way to
Tubig.
Ate Lea's humble abode. Very beautiful.
Hindi, ayun, matanda yun.
Huwag ka maingay, matatap.
Ano si ate? Itong yung itim.
Imperatrice yan pag naitim.
Wow, it's Santa Cruzan.
At tapos magsasalubong na doon ang ano.
They're the leader.
Ayun, doon sila. Ah,
Black lady.
Oh my God.
ano yan? Si Imperatrice yan, PE yan, yan nakaitim.
Ay, they need to turn around.
Yeah. Ipaano hanggang doon sa second floor?
Okay na?
Gusto niyo talaga yung ano, no? Nasa labas.
Ay, di, nasa lata. Hindi pwede sa yan, Pag-uwi.
Uy, ano yan? Ano yan? Uy! Uy, kanino yan?
Ha?
Kanino yan?
Yan naman yata ni Ian.
Ha?
Aywan ko, hiniram ni Ian ba? Kanino yan?
Kanino yan?
Ito ba?
Ah! Ni Santos! Ni Santos! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to
Okay lang to. Ha? Alam mo, ilang ano to?
Hawak mo. Hawak ko ang cake. Sige na ba?
Wow!
Hawak ko ang cake.
Ano? Ano? Ang gwapo mo dyan pa, ha? Sabi ko sa'yo, magpalit ka ng damit, eh. 'Di ba? Worth it ba ang polo shirt mo?
Tanggalin mo yan. Na-enjoy ka na.
Aha! No! Uy!
Tingnan mo.
Yan.
Oh, oh.
Ang gwapo naman eh.
Owner's name.
Uy! Owner's name!
Owner's name.
Kailan mo yan
Oh, nakalagay.
Na? Kailan yan? Tingnan mo, May 15 pa to.
Ah!
Yan pa.
Ah!
Kailang sisi yan. Pwede ka sa expressway yan.
Pwede na tayo umuwi. Ito na lang pa. Ah.
Na?
Uwi nga sa probinsya.
Ang gwapo! Ang gwapo!
Ari ka pa eh. Hindi ko marunong. Oy! Baka naman mga
Ha?
pabinyan.
Ha? Hindi, medyo malakas siya.
Uy, yan.
Pag preno,
Ano?
pag ano,
Same
Ganun
lang
din.
Oh, same lang din. Kung paano.
Mag-practice ka na rin umangkas.
Pero ang ano niyan, malakas ang hatak yan ta.
Angkas dyan.
Malakas ang hatak. Malakas ang hatak niyan kasi maraming sisi. Ngayon, pag liliko ka, magbili.
Ah! Ang gwapa! Ah!
matagal na dito. Ano yan talaga ito?
Oo, ah.
Ilan pa ba?
Secret! Harvest time daw. Yung pang...
Ano para na? Mama! Parang nasa sopa. Parang ako nasa sopa.
Ano sofa?
Simanto. For sale. Dito na ako.
Pwede ka mamawak dito.
Ay! Dito ka na.
Ikaw ba makaniwala?
Okay. Tagal mo, dala mo. Pili! Humawak ka!
Ayan.